The stock price of Ripple rocketed to new heights, just as we thought the good news for XRP had come to an end. Unlike the usual suspects of internet gurus and random Twitter users, this insight actually came from a seasoned Wall Street analyst. For those who aren't aware, Wall Street is the largest financial institution in the entire world. According to a recent research, Ripple stock might potentially reach a staggering $140,000. The forecast was also publicly communicated in real time via audio and video by a Wall Street specialist. The specifics are about to be revealed to you. The Coin Lady channel update is back, and we hope you enjoy it. Focus closely on today's video, because we'll be discussing XRP's prospects, which you won't want to miss. If you're new here, you can make sure you never miss an upload by subscribing and activating post notifications by clicking the bell. Keep in mind that I'm not offering financial guidance here. Let's first recognize the recent, momentous happenings when Ripple and MasterCard formally joined forces before going into this insightful research. They have joined forces to make remittances easier on the XRP-based RippleNet system. The price of XRP is expected to soar to a stunning $50 as a result of these and other factors. Actually, someone has made a bold wager, risking everything if XRP doesn't hit $50. Now, let's listen to a fascinating talk given by well-known Wall Street analyst Linda P. Jones. She shed substantial light on the critically important topic of IPO valuation in the financial markets. The present share price of $40 may appear high, but it is crucial to remember that a company's worth is not equal to its share price. For instance, a firm that is currently valued at $6.6 billion may be able to go public at a much greater valuation. It's difficult to find a suitable alternative to Coinbase to use as a comparison for Ripple. Coinbase's $86 billion market cap is a huge splash, while Ripple is only worth about $6.8 billion right now. This striking disparity suggests that Ripple's worth may increase by a factor of 10, from $10,000 to $100,000. Curiously, Ripple may end up being more successful than Coinbase. Here is the main reason why Ripple's XRP asset is now worth nothing on its books. Thus, XRP is currently worthless on the Ripple balance sheet. If XRP recovers to its all-time highs and then some, a revaluation by Ripple at its current market value or higher might result in a valuation of more than 14 times the current amount. A possible return of $140,000 on a $10,000 investment. Ripple Harbor has one of the most exciting futures of any platform feature, in my opinion. This is hardly the only surprising development, by the way. The transition to XRP has been compared favorably by another well-respected financial analyst to the early investments in Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon stocks. This expert thinks XRP might hit $10,000 soon. The breadth of in-depth information supplied by these Wall Street professionals gives credence to these allegations. Collaborative efforts with financial behemoths like HSBC and Northern Trust, which is predicted at a stunning $14.5 trillion market, further buttress these projections. Although $14.5 trillion is a lot of money, the asset you have is extremely valuable, and electronic transfers of funds are the future, according to Wall Street analysts. I have a question for you. Would you have sold your shares of Microsoft or Apple stock in their early days? These factors are linked with speculation on Twitter and in the Bitcoin community about a possible IPO for the Ripple network. These conjectures are grounded in strong logic. The crippler, Jack, has been busy on Twitter, perhaps teasing the announcement of a Ripple IPO at a party on September 29 in New York City. The CEO of Ripple's made a public remark on May 25 that coincides with this time frame. In 2022, assuming it wins its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the blockchain business is seriously considering going public. A study from August for 2023 further emphasizes XRP's legal triumph, clearing the door for Ripple's expansion in the U.S. market, as CEO Brad Garlinghouse affirmed in a CNBC interview. It also strongly indicates Ripple's desire to go public in the United States, Dubai, and possibly the United Kingdom. With these changes, a Ripple IPO in September is looking more and more likely. With the judge's order clarifying that XRP is not a security, a spokeswoman for Ripple stated that the company can now move forward with confidence in its business landscape and re-enter the US market. Despite this, Ripple has been making actions indicative of a firm positioning itself for an initial public offering. There have been numerous rumors that Ripple will team up with companies in the United States or Canada to tokenize real estate and so transform the industry. Among these efforts are those that seek to tokenize real estate assets or provide such solutions. The RedCom Network is an international organization with a presence in more than 130 countries that specializes in renting a wide range of assets. The Republic of Palau and the RedCom Network worked together to launch the Palau stablecoin, which is tied to the US dollar and is based on the XRP ledger. What's more intriguing is that the RedCom Network may also be in talks with Ripple, which may create the framework for a major relationship. The wide variety of rentable assets on the RedCom network can be paid for with cryptocurrency, specifically the network's native token, ARNT. Given the worldwide nature of the RedCom network, this development begs the question of how Ripple's technology could improve the efficiency of international RedCom network payments. This kind of cooperation might take place anywhere money is exchanged, from local storefronts to worldwide banks. Fortunately, additional investigation into the RedCom network led to the formation of a collaboration, wherein anyone who referenced the Crypto Geek channel while reaching out to them on Twitter will receive free ART coins. This window of opportunity won't last forever, so don't delay. Since the value of these coins has been steadily rising recently, there has been significant growth in the RedCom network's native token RNT, which has increased by 21,000% in the previous month and 3,000% in the last week. It has increased in value by 26% after they started accepting only RNT as payment for some of their properties within the past day. There is a need for a payment facilitation solution, especially for international transactions, because of the RedCom network's enormous global assets. Expertise and technology may combine without any bumps in the process, because to Given Ripple's recent foray into this sector, this seems like a good time to work together. We actually reached out to the RedCom community and were able to form this alliance with them. As part of our partnership, they will give out our T coins to anyone who tweets about our Crypto Gig channel. Because of the scarcity of these coins, a prompt transaction is highly recommended. Tell them you were sent by the Crypto Geek channel to get your free RT coins. Investing now is advantageous because of the huge price increases being seen by these coins. Finally, XRP's promise should not be ignored. Despite the fact that its daily price changes may garner a lot of interest, long-term potential powered by innovation and technology is where XRP really shines and where its actual value may be found. Instead of focusing on tiny price fluctuations, take the $4 trillion market for international transfers as an example of the groundbreaking changes XRP can facilitate. Envision the potential for XRP if it were to gain even a small percentage of this market. As a result, rather than being persuaded by daily price changes, it is essential to concentrate on the true potential and long-term value of the technology. XRP's future is being considered as we speak. Keep in mind that its primary goal is to change the way international money transfers are done. It's possible that XRP's worth in the dollar market will exceed our present estimates. Guys, I'm afraid that's all we can offer you for now. Do you have any opinions on XRP? Participate and tell us what you think in the comments section. Please show your appreciation for this video by giving it a big thumbs up if you found it entertaining. See you later, bye.